Clouds are heavy over the canyon road. The wipers can't keep the glass clear. You look smaller in the rear view now, just a blur in the gray morning.
Just a blur.
Everything we built is getting soft, like paper left out on the deck. Let the rain take the weight of it, wash the salt from the skin. It's a long way down to the water, and we're finally now to sea.
Drifting out to sea.
I left my velvet jacket on the chair, a piece of me you can keep for a while. The tires hum against the wet pavement, tracing lines we can't cross back over.
Can't go back.
There's no anger left in the engine, just the sound of the storm moving on. Let the rain take the weight of it, wash the salt from the skin. It's a long way down to the water, and we're finally now to sea.
Drifting out to sea.
Let the rain take the weight of it, wash the salt from the skin. It's a long way down to the water, and we're fine.